Well, we can try that.
We'll probably flake off some. Just don't let go. Come on up a little bit. Yeah. And you just hold it steady.
Try that.
Come on, Pop. Last second.
Let's see what it looks like. Oh, so pretty.
You get it all the way back.
That's all.
Look at
Here's that one half. You want to take it?
Wow.
There it is.
Ah.
There you go. There you go.
That's the kind I like.
Yeah.